Here's some karma in Hinduism trivia. Subscribe. What term refers to the law of moral cause and effect in Hinduism? Is it A, moksha, karma, C, atman, or dharma? The correct answer is B, karma. Which sacred text discusses concepts of karma? Is it A, Tao Te Ching, B, Bhagavad Gita, C, Quran, or D, Bible? The correct answer is B, Bhagavad Gita. What cycle involves birth, life, death, and rebirth in Hinduism? Is it A, nirvana, B, samsara, C, dharma, or D, karma? The correct answer is B, samsara. Which Hindu deity is frequently associated with the concept of karma? Is it A, Krishna, B, Ganesha, C, Hanuman, or D, Durga? The correct answer is A, Krishna. Which principle states good actions lead to positive benefits? Is it A, Tamas, B, Maya, C, moksha, or D, sukha? The correct answer is D, sukha. What is called the result of negative karma? Is it A, nirvana, B, sukha, C, dukkha, or D, anatman? The correct answer is C, dukkha. What does karma determine in one's future lives? Is it A, quality of relationships, B, amount of wealth, C, duration of suffering, or D, nature of rebirth? The correct answer is D, nature of rebirth. Which festival celebrates the victory of good over evil, often associated with karma? Is it A, Thanksgiving, B, Halloween, C, Diwali, or D, al-Fitr? The correct answer is C, Diwali. Which concept involves the ethical implications of one's actions? Is it A, logic, B, aesthetics, C, ethics, or D, law? The correct answer is C, ethics. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.